This is a continuation of the first XP Deus video using the XY visualization screen. In this particular mode here, I'm going to change something. I discovered something after doing the first video, and by the way, I've left all the settings the same. I haven't changed anything. But I thought, well, I have a couple of targets that will never give me an ID, and one of them is an 8-inch nickel. It's extremely difficult for my other machines to detect, except for the White's TDI, which can detect it fine. And I know it's more or less to do with the type of ground, which here it's the red clay, the iron-bearing clay of Virginia, and most targets below the 6-7 inch range will usually indicate iron. But I'm going to show you something here I've learned about this extra, and I have to say, but I'm excited about it, is the multi-TDI, or multi-TID rather. I'm going to select it, and I want you to see what happens here. I'm going to go over the 6.5 inch dial. Good audio, just like the other parts of the program. ID showing up here, 92. Bottom left hand corner, a solid block. This is what I've noticed. Now this here is my 7.5 inch rivet. I've never been able to get a constant ID. Any of the other programs that I have in this XP Deus would not give me an ID on this 7.5 inch rivet. But look, I'm excited about it because I get an ID now. Solid block here, and I haven't analyzed enough to know everything there is to know about this program. But this interests me because this particular target is deep, and on the other programs using the Deus, I never get a target ID number. So it excites me. Now I go on to a 6.5 inch quarter. Stronger strength here, stronger signal strength, target ID 93. Now look what happens when I go over the iron. All this, it seems to be erroneous data down through here, but it's not. The machine is actually analyzing this iron. Target ID 6, 5. Let's go back over a 7.5 inch rivet. This here has got my interest. 7.5 inch rivet. ID 8790. It's deep. But this particular option of the multi-TID is the only option on the Deus, leaving all other settings the same, gives me a target ID number. And to me, that's something to be excited about here on the Deus. Iron, 6.5 inch quarter, good solid ID, 6.5 inch dime. This is actually a 6.5 inch nickel. There's iron all mixed around it. Look at the ID number. It's showing something different, radically different, if you will. 52. Now that's around the range of a nickel. Let's go back again. 6.5 inch dime. Good audio. 7.5 inch rivet. This is the one that interests me the most. Of this particular program being able to give me an ID number to look at. 6.5 inch quarter. And now a piece of iron. That's obvious you'd never want to dig at unless you were just relic hunting, just hunting whatever you could find. There's the regular Deus program showing the top right hand corner of the horseshoe. That's that 7.5-inch rivet. Good audio. So it's quite obvious these advanced features have their place. There is added information that makes the machine a little more exciting to me, even though I can say the White's V3i has features similar to this, not the same, similar, which is also very exciting to run and analyze different targets. But I hope you enjoyed it today, and get out and have a good time.